are back with another video. As you guys can see, I'm all bundled up and I'm in a different environment. I am in my New York City apartment. I decided to come back down for a little just to enjoy the city because I've been missing it. Today, me and my friend are going to Times Square. She's never been, so this should be very excited. So we're on our way for a very eventful day. I'm excited to be back. We're gonna be masked up and today's gonna be a good day.
What they got, Adrian? Which one we gonna go to? The David Buster's or the museum? We can do both. Which one you wanna go to first? Cause we're right here. Okay, let's go to the museum. I've never been here before. We went to the one in Vegas, and that one, oh, that's the rightfully Believe It or Not, right there. Believe It or Not.
Behind the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swamp, but I think I'm here to solo. All my niggas don't know. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence.
Hello.
How are you?
Great. How are you?
Good. Have you guys ever been here before?
We went to the one in Vegas.
Welcome back to this one.
Okay, thank you.
Pleasure. I'm gonna start your experience off with some photos right behind the black line for you guys.
Okay. She's scared now, y'all. She hit the wall. Oh, look. I was about to do it. This is a mirror.
They got mine.
They got you. What is this? It's the lighting. It's the lighting for me. Period.
My dog Will Smith. Way. Ote. Gotta use the New York slang. Ote. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, let's put our mask back on. Our good sis, Oprah. I don't know how different this is, but why I got okay now? Why I got my shit with lace showing?
It turned out for me.
Oh my god.
Right now.
President.
We cannot do this. Not this. Not this, buddy. Yeah. Girl, you only got one? Wait, it didn't go. It says 2 try. Oh, yeah. Wow, you only get 2? Okay, come on. Ooh, that was more powerful. Okay, you got the 12. Much better. Much better.
Well, I messed up that first one.
Yeah. I have 14. That means both weeks.
Right. Well, no, that's kind of halfway. That's kind of halfway. It's 30, and I got the 12, and Jenna got the 13. Oh, 14. Oh, put some respect on her name. Put some respect on her strength. Do we go downstairs?
More fun, more fun.
More attraction. Attraction continues.
This is the best one and now.
Right, because we got a lot for our bang, for our money. Yeah, so we went inside the Snippers, but I forgot that you cannot eat inside, and it's freezing cold. And we just went to Applebee's. Applebee's is closed. The movies is closed. I was thinking about Dallas barbecue, but they only have cold drinks. Well, they have other drinks, but that's what it's known for. I'm not a fan of the food. So right now we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do because we want to eat our food while it's fresh. Not when it's cold.
No Subway where the people gonna be looking at me trying to eat some food.
Oh no, I'm not eating nothing on the Subway. I've never done that. And don't plan on doing that. God, Shake Shack. But we still at square one. We don't know what we're gonna eat it at. So we just sitting here waiting for it to get done. I got a chicken sandwich, some fries, and something to drink. And we're just gonna hope we can eat it standing over here, maybe. I don't know, because it is cold, like freezing cold outside.
Alright y'all, we have finally made it back to the house. Our plan today was just to get out and just go explore, and it turned out awesome. As you guys saw, we went to the museum and that was so much fun. We didn't even know they had one in New York. As you guys know, we went to one in Vegas and enjoyed it, but the one in New York is like, we stayed in there like an hour and a half, so it was well worth whatever the price is. We also bought the tickets for the Ripley Believe It or Not, but when we tried to go over there, they were closed and they had already took their last people. You know, due to COVID, people aren't taking as many people as they used to. So we did that. And then as far as food, we ate Shake Shack. I got a chicken sandwich with that garlic herb butter. No, mayo. So good. I got extra pickles and I got me some fries, and I really enjoyed that as well. As you guys know, we could not eat on the inside of there, so we had to go find somewhere else. Adriana had got her something from another place, and when we went in there, they said that we can stand up and eat. So we literally standing up, eating our food, and that was like heaven to us because it was so cold outside. Like, we found a little table that we could have ate at, but it was so cold. We was like, who finna sit in the cold and eat this food? So that's been another issue we've been running into. You cannot sit in restaurants in New York, unfortunately, and you guys know, I love me a good restaurant experience, but unfortunately that's not gonna be happening in New York. So this is the beginning score, okay? We're doing act storm. She thinks she did something, but
I did do
the
something.
gag is.
Okay, look, there's you too. Don't try to cheat. Don't try to cheat. You had 43.
It's snowing. Yo, it's really, really snowing. Here I am. I got my hair under my beret, and I got my hood on. I don't want my hair to get wet and messed up, and then I'm looking crazy. Look, Adriana's excited about the snow. What's that? Oh, it's a lens flare. Ooh. We just came from the grocery store. We're gonna make some tacos. But now it's snowing, so it looks like we're gonna be staying inside for a few days. Y'all, look at this real New Yorker. Got her groceries on top of her head. They heavy, Adriana?
Oh, yeah.
What did you get? You got juice and water in there? And it's super heavy. She already? Ooh, now. Y'all know I'm scared of dogs. No. Get your dog now. Right, I ain't got the time. Look at the snow. I got on this one. Oh, my grocery bag. Got my sweats on. What? I gotta start this one. So yeah, look at this snowy day. Maybe when it starts to stick, we'll come outside and play in the snow. But I'm about to put my camera up because I don't want to get water damage. So if it gets to be a snowstorm or something interesting, I'll come back to y'all.
And Adriana's excited.
Too excited.
She was this.
A big kid at any source.
Are you excited?
Too excited.
Okay, let's play in the snow then. I got my boots on. I got my keys so we can come out here. It definitely is sticking. Woo! Adriana. Oh, let me get a snowball.
It ain't that big.
It is. Gonna make a snowball.
It's not gonna hit me.
Why you gonna run? Come on, let me make a real one. You ready? Oh, no.
Yeah.
No. Okay, I surrender. Oh, it's not that bad. It's still fresh. This is fresh snow. Y'all look at it. Woo woo. I should got my umbrella for my camera. Cause y'all getting wet. Y'all know that's all that snow is. Rain. Frozen rain.
Yeah, I'm out of there.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
No! It's real life snow.
You touched it, Adriana?
Yeah. It's real cold.
Did they get it?
No, I wish.
No. Oh, she got me. She ain't even feel it. She don't even care. Yeah, we playing in the snow for real. Oh, look at all this fresh snow over here. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of snow, Adriana.
My hands are freezing.
Your hand's freezing now, huh?
Yeah.
Make a snow angel.
I'm gonna call my sister.
Snow angel. Ooh. I got my gloves on. We after y'all. I gotta put my camera up soon. I don't need no mask because it's just me and Adrian out here. And ain't nobody out here because if it was, y'all know, I would be booted up with a mask on.
My hands are freezing.
It's cold, huh?
Yeah.
Look at your hair. Look at you.
I don't even care.
Look at your hair.
No!
She calling her family, y'all.
It's so much snow. Look at my face.
She's so excited.
Where's Shamira? I'm trying to call Shamira.
Y'all, I've seen snow before. So I'm just like, been a good friend, but she's excited. Look. Okay, let me go inside the building so the camera don't get wet. Oh, wait.
There's so much snow. My hands are freezing. You see all this?
Gotta open the door.
Diasha!
Huh? Oh, you ain't right. You ain't right.
I need some air.
You cold now, huh?
My hands are freezing.
Y'all. Whoa, look at the door. Whoa. Y'all, today is day 2. Oh, this is my first snowstorm. Adriana been making TikToks, y'all. Ooh, y'all look at this. Uh-oh.
I don't know how to do that.
Uh-oh. Hey. Whoa. Hey.
I'm about to fall in this.
Don't fall. Y'all look. Wow. It's a winter wonderland. Look how thick it is. Okay, you next. Oh. my god. Y'all, we sitting in the snow. That's how much it is. Oh, it's hard to get up now. Wait now. This is my clothes. Yeah, it's just water. Y'all, look over here. Look at the cars. Oh, look at this car. Oh my god. Whew. So, y'all, I haven't been doing nothing on my snow day. It's not really a snow day for me because I still gotta work. So, I worked last night. It was so good. I slept a little bit. And now we playing in snow. I'm excited. Y'all, look at this. It's crazy. Woo. Woo, that wind hitting. Whoa, now. Whoa, now. Woo. Left me in my face. Here, hold it, Adriana. I need to get me some videos on my phone. Y'all, it's my first.
Damn, this car motos.
This would be a 5-pig.
Oh, you better put this back in the house or something.
Okay, yeah. Okay, y'all. We gotta go because we don't want y'all to get water damaged.
But that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment down below. Would you visit New York during a pandemic or not? I already know the answer to that. And make sure you smash the subscribe button. And I will see you guys in another video.